Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your forgotten password for Etsy account. If you're trying to log into Etsy and you've forgotten your password, then here's how you can easily reset your new password. First of all, launch open a web browser on your computer or your laptops, and in the search bar type in etsy.com and search. Once you're inside the home page of Etsy, go to the top right corner and click the Sign In button. In the Sign In area, enter your email address and password if you remember your credentials. If you don't, simply click on the Forgot Your Password button. On the next page, write down your email address in the text box that is associated with your Etsy.com account. Once you do that, click on Email Me Sign In link. You'll then receive an email with an instruction to reset your password. Go open up your email inbox. Make sure to open up the same email inbox. After opening up your email inbox, click open the email from Etsy that you received. Now, click on the Reset It Now button in order to reset your password. Now, on the next page, go ahead and enter a new password you'd like to reset to for Etsy. After entering a strong password, re-enter the password once again in the next field. Finally, click on Set Password button. Now you're all set to sign in with your new password. Click the Sign In button and then enter your email address and then your newly updated password in the Sign In area. Finally, click Sign In and you have successfully logged in to Etsy.com with your newly resetted password. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.